guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and my new kitchen crib. Does that make sense? No. But anyways, we're gonna make two of my favorite foods. It will be potatoes and cheese. You combine those together. I'm gonna combine them into freaking potato cheese ball. So I'll only be using for potatoes and corn flour. You can add some seasoning if you want, but I don't think I'm gonna do mine. I'm gonna peel these potatoes. Alright, next we're going to let it boil. Gonna let this boil for 10 minutes, and I already added some salt, so be right back. Alright, so we already boiled the potatoes and I cooled them down a bit. You can kind of see it's steamy, but in the meantime, we're just gonna smash them. Alrighty, so next we're gonna put 3 teaspoons of cornstarch to this mashed potato bowl. It's basically mashed potatoes. Anyways, oh, it has a bag.
About the moments we spent.
Oh, before that, mozzarella cheese. So let me just cut these into little cube sides really quick.
I just want you to be happy. When someone tries to touch your scars, it doesn't seem to cure at all. Nothing's gonna be any better. I'll love you every day. That's how you are. Please don't guarantee your joy. Nothing's wrong with crying every day. It just started at the end of the world. I'll say you're the destiny. Please don't guarantee your joy. Nothing's wrong with crying every day. It just started at the end of the world. I'll say you're the best moment.
Okay, so because flames. Ooh. But anyways, I filled this little pot with veggie oil, and we're just gonna dump one in, and it should sizzling. I'm scared. I don't like this is like. Ooh. Maybe I should put like 2 at a time or 3, whatever it could fit. Okay. Woo. Woo. Okay, that was scary. Spooky. Okay. Is this like the right spoon? I mean, the right tool to do with? I need to put the other with you guys. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Ooh, okay, I feel it. It's getting hard.
Nothing's wrong with crying every day. It's just sort of a thing in the world. I'll say you're the destiny. Please don't guarantee future. Nothing's wrong with crying every day. It's just sort of a thing in the world. I'll say you're the best moment down now.
Alright, so much oil I have. But look at these. Okay, this is hot. That's hotter. This is a bit hot. Less. I like how it's crunchy. Coffee.
Yes.
They should put this snack appetizer at like restaurants. This is so good. And the ghost pepper sauce. Oh, look at the inside though.
Is that ghost pepper sauce?
Mhm.
Oh, it looks.
Look at the inside though. Looks really nice.
That's buffalo sauce, Shoopy.
Okay, sorry. You like buffalo sauce? It's so good, but it's like hot. They just came out a few minutes ago. Coffee, you should make this. It's so good. The cheese just came right off the cheese. Like next time when I make these, I should add like some flavoring, some more more seasoning. This is the result of my potato cheesy cakes. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share my easy recipe to everyone.